Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this web designing series, I will show you how you can make this design. So first of all, I will give you the overview of this design. So if I hover on the first panel, you can see the animation on the square box in top. And if I hover on the button, you can see the animation I have added on the button as well. So same way, if I hover on the second panel, you can see the animation on the square box and on the button as well, and third panel animation you can see on the square box and the button. So if you are interested to know how you can make this design using HTML and CSS only, so please keep watching this video. And now guys, I will move to my Visual Studio Code editor for writing the code. So guys, here you can see I have opened Visual Studio Code editor. If you don't have Visual Studio Code editor, either you can install or you can open any other editor like Notepad++ or anything. So guys, here you can see I have opened index.html file and style.css file. Inside the style.css file, I will write the CSS code, and inside this HTML file, I will write the HTML code. And here I have already added basic HTML code. If you don't know this code, so you can write in the comment section. Either I will explain or I will provide this code. And now guys, I will start to write my code inside this body tag. So guys, inside this body tag, first of all, I will write section, class and main section. Okay, like this. By the way, this class name you can write anything as per your choice. And now here I will write deep class container fluid. Okay, like this. Okay, now guys, here I will go to the CSS file and I will write some basic CSS. So first of all, body, and inside this body I will write margin is 0 and padding is 60 pixel from top and bottom, and from left and right it will be at 0. And now font size, I will add the default font size, that is 14 pixel, and I will add the background color also. So you can write background color or background, both are same. So background color code, I will add this color code. Okay, and now here I will just go to the HTML file once again, and I will copy this container fluid class, and here I will paste. And for this container fluid class, I will write some other CSS, that is width. First of all, that I will add 95%, and here I will add margin 0 auto, means from top and bottom it will be 0 and left and right it will adjust the default size, means auto. Okay, and here I will write display flex. Okay, if you don't know the flex property, so here I have added the particular video on the flex property already in my channel, so you can go to my channel and check this on. And align item is center, and here justify content is center as well, means from top. Align item means from left and right it will be center, and justify content means from top and bottom it will be at the center to the content. And now I will come to the index.html file, and here I will write deep class cart. Okay, by the way, this class name you can write anything, and this cart class it will divide into 3 panel, and inside this cart I will write another class, that is cart padding. It will add the padding inside our cart. And now here I will create the main thing, that is square box. So here first of all I will write the class name is square main, and inside the square main class I will create 2 square box. One is blank and another is with background color. So first square box class name I will write square null, means it is blank. Okay, and now I will copy this same square box and I will paste here. Just instead of null, here I will write fill, means this square box it will be with background color. So square box part is done, and now here I will add one h2 tag. So inside this h2 tag I will write the heading. Okay, and now here I will create the p tag. P means paragraph, so here I will write the description. And now I will create a button, so I will write AHREF. So for creating button, you can write button tag or you can write anchor tag. Anchor tag means when I will click this button, it will redirect to any other site. Okay, So inside this href tag, I can write the link of the other side, or I can keep it blank, or I can write here JavaScript void 0. Okay, like this you can write. Okay, and now the button name I have to write. So button name I will write here view mode. Okay, so this is done, and those content you can write anything as per your choice. I mean as per your requirement, I can say. Okay, so guys, here cart it will make divider thing. Okay, so here I have to divide into three part. So what I will do, just I will copy this cart deep, and here I will paste more than two times. Means here you can see one, here is the two, and now I will paste it one more time like three, and I will right click, and here I will create the format document. Okay, so here you can see three cart, means it will divide into three panel. Okay, now here I will write the css for cart. So I will copy this cart, and now here I will come to the css part and cart. Okay, so here I will write first of all padding 0 and 20 pixel, means top and bottom it will be 0, and left and right it will be 20 pixel, and border left. Okay, border left is 1 pixel, and border type is dotted, and now color code I will write RGBA, and the code is 255 comma 255 comma 255. So this is color code, and for A it denotes opacity. So here I will write opacity is 0.5, means RGBA it denotes the color. Okay, means R is 255, G is 255, and B is also 255, and 0.5 is the A, means opacity. Okay, I hope it is clear. And now here I will write flex is 1, means this card it is dividing into three part. If I minimize those card here, okay, here minimize option I'm not getting, by the way, whatever. Here it is three card. Okay, three cards width will be same, so that's why here I have written flex 1, means it will be the equal width of this three card. So this is, I hope, also clear. And now here I will add the fixed height, that is 600 pixel. So guys, here you can see this one is done, and now I will come to the index.html file once, and here you can see for all cards I have already added contents. Okay, here those contents are dummy content. If you don't know how to get dummy contents, you can write in the comment section. I will provide the link of lorem ipsum. So from that site you will get the dummy content. Just you have to copy and paste. And now here I will go to the browser once. So here you can see it is coming like this. Okay, so I didn't add any css for this content, so it is looking like this. Okay, so now guys, here you can see I have written some css property for this card. Okay, here you can see, means those css property it will be applicable for all cards. So I have three cards, means it will be applicable for three cards. But specifically if I want to write only for the second card and or third card, so how I can do that? So now let's see, because guys, here you can see border is added on the first panels first and the middle and here, but in the last it is not added. So for adding the border here, I have to write some css only for the last card. Okay, so here just I will copy this card class, and here I will write last child. Last child means it will be applicable the last card. Okay, means here only the last card. So here I have to add the border. So I will copy this border from here and I will paste. But now I have to add border not left. I have to add border on the right. So here instead of left, just I will simply write right. Okay, so save, and if I refresh, so you can see border is added here. So this one is done. Okay, now guys, here I will add some padding, means here I have added one class, that is cart padding. Okay, so I will copy this class cart padding, but guys, here I want to add padding only for the second and third. So how I can do? So first of all, here I will copy this cart. Okay, and I will paste here this cart, and now here I will write that is first child. Okay, because here for this one I want to add some different padding, means for the first one different, second one will be different, and third one will be different. Okay, so that's why for the first child I will add the padding is, that is padding 2.5 rem, means top, and now right is 0, and after that bottom is also 2.5 rem, and left is 2 rem. Now if I save and if I refresh here, so you can see padding is applicable for the first panel, because here I have written first cards, because first child of the first card, I mean of the card. So that's why it is adding only the first panel. Okay, I hope guys it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. And now guys, just I will copy this thing and I will paste here, and now I will add padding only for the second. Okay, second means guys, I cannot write second child. For this one, here is the different thing, that is nth child, and inside this nth child you have to write 2 or number. I mean, if you write here 1, so it will be denotes to number 1 card, I mean first card. So like you can define first card like this, or 1, or you can write first child, anything is fine. So here I have written first child, but for the second child there is no css thing for second child, so you have to write like this, so n child 2. Okay, so for the second child I will add padding first, I mean top padding I will add 12 rem. Okay, and 0, then 2.5, then 2 rem. This is fine. So if I save and refresh here, so you can see it is applicable for the second one. Okay, now the third one. So I will copy this thing, and third means here it is last. If it would be only third, so you have to write here number 3. Okay, so I will show you two different example here. Like first of all I will add the 3 means, 3 means for first, second, 3, third. Okay, means this one. Okay, so for now I will change the padding. Okay, so padding is 6 rem, then here I will add it 2 rem, and then 2.5 and 2 rem. This is fine. Okay, now I will save and refresh. So you can see padding is added in the last one. Okay, so this way you can write, or you can do here I have only 3 panel, means third one is the last one. So instead of write like this, you can write last child, so both will be the same. So there is the 2 example I have shown you. Okay, this one is done. So now what I will do, just here you can see I have added square box. Okay, so now I will add the css property for square. Okay, so first of all square main, I will copy this thing and scroll up here, I will paste it. So here I will write the css is display flex. Okay, and now here position is relative, and after that here margin bottom is 1.75 rem. Okay, this one is done, and now I will add the css for this one, square null. So I will paste, and for the square null here I will write also position is relative. Okay, and border is 1 pixel solid, and the color code is white. Okay, this triple F means white color. And here I will add the width is 5 rem, and I will add the height is also same like 5 rem. and here I will write jet index 1. Okay, now save, and if I refresh, so you can see it's added a square box but without background color. So I have another square D, so I will copy this one. So here I will add the background color, so I will paste it here, and now here I will set width is same width, means 5 rem, and height also same, it will be 5 rem. Okay, this one is done, and here I will write also position relative. And now this square box, it will be a animated one, so that's why here I will write transition. Transition is all 0.3 s and cubic wedge here. If you don't know about this transition, so you can write in the comment section. I will just explain in another video, particular video I will make about animation part. Okay, so 0 and then 0.2 then 1. Okay, this one is done. So guys, now if I come to the browser, here you cannot see the second square box because here I did not add any border or color. So guys, I will add the background color of the second square boxes, but for all panel I will add the different color. Each panel it will be different background color. So for that guys, how I can do? So now here I will copy this cart first child. Okay, so cart first child, and now here I will write first of all square null, this one. Okay, and now here I will add the specific css, that is transform, and here I will add translate x, and here I will add 2 rem like this. So now if I refresh, so here you can see this square box, it's just moved into the right. Okay, and now here I will copy the same thing again. Okay, and here I will add square fill, and here I will add transform. Okay, transform translate and -5 rem comma -2 rem. Okay, and I will add the background color here. So background and the color code I will write 1C4277E. Okay, now save, and I will refresh. So here you can see it is looking like this. So same way I will add for the second. Okay, so here I will paste, and instead of first child, you know how we write the second one. So I have to write nth child and 2. Same way here also nth child and 2. Okay, but this css property need to change. So for the second one, here I will write like rotate. Okay, so rotate is 45 degree, and after that here I will write translate, and this translate is -1 rem and comma -2 rem. So guys, rotate thing, it will be just rotate our square box, and translate means it will help to move. Okay, you can see this square box before it was like this, but now it is rotate. Okay, and it is moved from left side because of transform translate this css property. Okay, this one. So this one is done, and now here just for this square fill, this one I have to little bit of change. The change is, first of all, the color code I have to change. So the color code here I will write FF781F 781F, this one, and you can see the color is changed here. And now the translate this css property I have to write -2 rem, and here it is 0.5 rem. So I will do save, and now if I refresh, So here you can see it is looking like this. So this one is done for first and second. Now I will add for the third. And third one, you know how we can add. We can write nth child 3, or we can write last child, because third is last for me. Okay, so here I will write last child. So last child, and same way here also I will write last child. Okay, so now square null, first of all this one I will write. Okay, so this one, first of all, here this one I don't need to write anything for the last child, because here whatever it is, it will be the same. Okay, but this square fill, this one I have to write for the last child. So the first one is color I will change. Color will be df3b96. Okay, so df3b96, this is the color code. And this transform, here I have to change something, like here I will write scale property and 0.8, and now translate x. Okay, so guys, translate x, it will be minus 6.2 rem. Okay, so now let understand the scale. Scale means it will just adjust the size of this square field. If I save and refresh, you can easily understand. So here you can see all square box property size here different, but the third one is different. It is little small because I have added scale, means it will just adjust the size of our square box. And translate x means it will move from left and right. If I write translate y, means it will move from up and down. Okay, I mean top and bottom, but now it is from left and right. I hope guys it is clear. So this one is done. Now guys, I will come to the animation part, like when I will hover on this panel, so how I will make the changes of this square box. Okay, so now first of all, first one, so here I will write card first child. Okay, so when I will hover on the first card, okay, so that time here what will be the square fill box. Okay, so now here this one I will write transform rotate. Okay, it will be rotate 45 degree, and translate here minus 2 rem comma 2 rem. Okay, so this is done for first panel. So I will save, and here just I will refresh this thing. So here you can see, if I hover on the first panel, you can see the animation. Okay, so now I will add the animation for this second panel. So here just I will copy the same thing. Okay, and paste here. So instead of first child, here what I will write, you know guys, for the second child we write nth child, and the number means 2. So when I will hover on the second, so what I want to add the transition. So transform rotate, it will be minus 45 degree. Okay, and translate, it will be 0.2 rem. So I will remove, and now 0.2 rem, 25. Okay, 0.25 rem comma minus 3 rem. Okay, and now here I will add scale. So scale is 0.75. So this one done for the second one. So I will come to the browser, refresh. You can see the animation. When I will hover on the second panel, you can see the animation. Okay, now I will add for the last one. So just I will copy this thing, and instead of nth child, you can write 3, or you can write last child. I told you already. Okay, and now guys, here just I will make it change. So this scale property I will cut from here, and I will paste in the first. Okay, and here I will write it 1. Okay, and now this translate one I will cut from here, and I will paste in the second. And this one I will not translate, I will write translate x. and this one I will write minus 5 rem. Okay, and the rotate one here I will write 45 degree. So I will do save and I will refresh. So if I hover, so you can see the animation. Okay, you can see the animation. So this square box animation part is done. And now guys, here I have to write the css for this heading, para and button. So guys, here I will just come to the index.html, and here I will copy this cart padding. Okay, paste an h2 tag, and for css property I will write margin bottom. Margin bottom is 1.75 rem, and later I will write that is color. Color is has and C4E, then 5F6. Okay, and font size. Font size I will add 2.5 rem, and now here I will add line height. Line height is 1, and font family. So font family I will add here colon and ABORETO. Okay, then comma cursive, this one. Okay, so this is done. So I will save this one and I will just refresh. So here you can see it is changed. Now I will add the css for this paragraph. So I will copy this thing and paste here, and P is for paragraph. So first of all, here I will write same margin bottom, but margin bottom here I will write 2 rem, and after that font size is 1 rem, then line height that is 1.5. Okay, and now font weight it is 400, and after that color. Okay, color I will add has D1 this color code. Okay, so this one is done. So I will just show you once. Here you can see, and now I will add the css for button, and I will add the animation. Okay, on when I will hover on the button tag. So now for this, here just I will copy this thing, paste our anchor tag. Okay, so now here I will add first of all font size. Okay, font size is here I will add 16 pixel, and after that color I will add here white color. So this is the white color code. I will scroll up, and now position is relative, and now display inline block. Just a minute, here I will write inline block, this thing. Okay, and now if I check this one, so here you can see it is looking like this. Okay, so now I have to add the animation when I will hover on this button. So this thing I will copy, paste, and here I will write after. Okay, so now first of all here I will write content is blank, and now after that width is 0 and height is also 0, because when I will hover on this one, so that time I will add the width and height, but before that it will be 0, and position is absolute, and translate is minus 50% comma minus 50%. So from top 50% and left also 50%. Okay, and now jet index I will add here -1, and after that border radius it is 50%, and here I will add transition. Okay, so transition is all 0.3s and cubic Bezier, and here 0.4 comma 0 comma 0.2 comma 1. Okay, this one is done. And now what I will do, just I will copy this thing because I will add the color. Okay, when I will hover on this button, so the animation will be different color for each panel. So the first card, okay, so here I will write dot card first child. Okay, so first card's button color, I mean a button after color will be the same of this square box. Okay, means this color. Okay, so I will copy the same and here I will paste it, and instead of first child, now here I will write inch child 2 and I will paste it again, and instead of this I will write last child, and the color code I will copy from the square box color code. Okay, so for the second I will copy the second square box color. Okay, and for the third one I will copy from third square box color. Okay, let's see. So it is added, and now when I will hover on this anchor tag, so I will copy it from here, and when I will hover, so hover, then the after here I will add width is 35 pixel and height is also 35 pixel. So I will do save, and now if I refresh, so here you can see if I hover, so animation is coming and the square box animation is displaying as well. So hope guys you have enjoyed this one, and if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, and also you can write the comment whatever you want to write, and you can share this video with your friends, and if you want to get more update, so please subscribe my channel as well.